growing population is enjoying their holidays with their bus camper, bringing several bikes or e-bikes. We have just a solution. The BusBiker has been in production since 2007 and has a lot of advantages as opposed to most other carriers. You do not have to lift high, and the BusBiker is strong enough for even the heaviest electric bikes. While it is most common to take 2 bikes, you have the option to bring a third. Yet, the BusBiker only adds 58 cm to your bus camper. The BusBiker is mounted on a chassis, the strongest part of the bus camper. A new locking system has been developed to make access to your luggage compartment as easy as possible. You can easily pull the safety pin out to open the lock. Once on the campsite, you can fold the BusBiker up easily and lock it with 2 strips. The BusBiker XM290 shown here is equipped with a detachable tow bar. A new addition to our assortment is the easily attachable ramp. The BusBiker fits all models of the Fiat Ducato, Citroën Jumper and Peugeot Boxer produced from year 2007 onwards. You can have the BusBiker assembled at your own dealer, but of course our dealers throughout Western Europe will welcome you. Please check our website for addresses.